The Pininfarina modular EV concept built around the 2026 Lamborghini Aventador is a radical take on one of the most recognizable supercars of the modern era. Instead of simply electrifying a legend, Pininfarina reinterprets it for a new generation, keeping the Aventador's raw drama, but shaping it with cleaner, more futuristic lines. The stance is still unmistakably Lamborghini, low, wide, and aggressive, but the surfaces are more sculpted, with flowing aerodynamics replacing sharp edges. At the front, the wedge-shaped nose is flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that stretch back like blades, with integrated aero channels directing air seamlessly around the body. The hood is sculpted with functional vents, not just for cooling, but for managing airflow over the car. From the side, the Aventador EV sits low on massive, aero-optimized wheels with a turbine-inspired design that balances cooling for the brakes with reduced drag. The roofline remains dramatic, tapering into broad shoulders over the rear haunches, but everything feels more fluid, as though the whole car was shaped by the wind. At the rear, the iconic hexagonal Lamborghini theme is reinterpreted with a full-width light bar that explodes into angular Y-shaped elements, evoking the brand's signature lighting style in a bold, electrified way. A massive diffuser and an active rear wing handle the downforce, ensuring this car's design isn't just about presence, but performance at high speeds. Performance is where this Aventador EV takes things into new territory. Sitting on the Pininfarina modular EV platform, it comes in a tri-motor configuration producing over 1,000 horsepower, with torque vectoring to each axle for razor-sharp handling. 0 to 60 happens in under 2.5 seconds, and top speed stretches beyond 215 miles per hour, proving that electrification doesn't dull Lamborghini's wild character. The battery pack is mounted low in the carbon fiber structure, keeping the center of gravity flat and the